Hello my dear students of class 10th. Today I am here to just tell you about the electricity part 2. In that part I will tell you about the concept of electric potential, potential difference, Ohm's law and resistance. So please listen carefully. Here first I am going to start electric potential. Electric potential. Here I have made three figures. Just see all the three figures. In the first figure, there is an inclined plane, and at the top of the plane, a ball is kept. In the second figure, two containers are there. Both the containers are joined with a narrow tube. Here the level of water is up to here. Here the level of water is there. In third figure, this is figure number 3. In this figure, there is a rod AB. Cross sections temperatures are T1 and T2, in which this temperature is more than this one. So now just study each figure one by one. When we talk about this figure, we can see this ball will come from here by rolling till point C. Now question is, why ball is coming from there to there? Because at point A, gravitational potential energy at A is more than gravitational potential energy at C. Because here GPE, gravitational potential energy, is higher, then here due to that ball is moving from higher potential region to the lower potential region. Why it is more? Because height is more. Here, if you talk about here the motion of water will take place from this container to this container. The question is why? Same thing. Here height is h1, which is more than this height h2. Means here the energy stored in water is more than the energy stored here. Due to that, motion of water will take place from higher potential energy region to the lower potential energy region. If we come here, because this end's temperature is more than the temperature of this end, due to that heat will flow from here to here. Motion of heat will take place from here to here. Why? Because due to larger temperature, energy is more. Due to low temperature, energy is less. That's why energy motion will be from higher temperature region to the lower temperature region. In all the three examples, what the common thing we are noticing here? The common thing is what? Motion of ball, or motion of water, or motion of heat always take place from higher energy level to the lower energy level. This particular energy level, higher or lower, decides potential in the electricity concept. So, potential is what? If you think about potential, one more thing. If ball is coming here to here, level is increasing, temperature is changing, in all the three things, work has to be done. Because if ball is moving from one place to another, work will be there. If level is increasing, work will be there. If temperature is changing, here temperature is raising, work will be there. Means what? It means that in the terms of electricity, potential can be defined as the height, as the level, as the changing temperature. In this way, you can say potential is what? Potential is amount of work done per unit charge of a body. If we are charging any body, if we are going to charge any body, so the work required to charge that body is called electric potential. Work required to charge that body is called electric potential. Mathematical electric potential is the amount of work done per unit charge. V equals to W by Q. Or from here you can write W equals to QV, one formula of work done you can find it. This is about electric potential. Now question is, what is potential difference? If we imagine a circuit, in that circuit a wire is there. Suppose that this is a wire. In this wire, in a point is A and point is B. It is connected from a circuit. Circuit I will tell you after this lecture. Now, electricity will flow from here to here. It will flow from one place to another place only when there will be a potential difference. Means amount of work done per unit charge here and amount of work done per unit charge here is different. If it is not different, current will not flow. So for the motion of current, difference in this potential is required. That difference in potential is known as potential difference or electric potential difference. If you want to calculate V at A, so it is WA on Q. If you want to calculate VB, it is WB divided by Q. Okay, now because current is moving from here to here, that means this potential is more than this potential. Because in all the three examples I told you, from higher potential energy level to the lower potential energy level only motion will take place. That means potential difference is now VA minus VB. This is called potential difference. Difference in potential at two different points in an electric circuit is known as potential difference. Unit is simply volt. For electric potential we use unit volt. For potential, electric potential we use unit volt. And for this particular formula you can write joules per coulomb also. So whatever the unit you want you can write. So this is about potential difference. Now next one is Ohm's law. Suppose that this is a conductor. This law is very important for your class 10th board exam as well as for the competition exam also. This is a conductor. Ohm was the name of scientist. He said that if for any conductor physical state is constant, not change. Physical state, whatever the length is given, fixed. Whatever the area of cross section, fixed. Uniform area of cross section fixed. Nature means density, fixed. Now, and the material means nature is fixed, as well as temperature is also constant. Means two things. Temperature of that conductor is constant, as well as physical state is also unchanged. Then at that moment, potential current flowing in this conductor varies directly to the potential difference. Means as the value of current increases, potential difference increases. If the value of current decreases, potential difference decreases, keeping these two things constant. Now you can write this V proportional I, or you can say V equals to, here you will introduce a constant. The symbol of constant is R into I. This is Ohm's law, where R is called the resistance. R is resistance. Now the question is, what is resistance? Very easy to understand. When you are walking, friction will produce between the surface of the contact of your foot and the ground. In the same way, whenever motion of charge take place on the surface of conductor, on the surface of wire, an obstruction will produce there. That obstruction, that hindrance in the motion of charge or in the motion of current is called resistance. And resistance is simply hindrance or obstruction. Hindrance or obstruction offered by that material during the motion of current is called resistance. Symbol of resistance is capital R. If you write unit of resistance is ohm, OHM. By symbol, in this way you can write ohm. Or by the formula R equals to V upon I, you can write volt per ampere. But this is ohm, is it that unit which we use everywhere. So remember, unit of resistance is ohm. Now in my next lecture, I will tell you more thing about resistance, on which factor resistance depends, how we connect the wires with each other, etc. etc. So all of you please study this. Till then, goodbye, all the best.